Yes, people, a very, very happy morning to all of you. Thank you so much. So, guys, first of all, welcome to the world of commerce and accountancy. Correct? No? First time you're studying accounts in your life, right? So, welcome, embrace that subject. I'm telling you, this is one of the most interesting subject you will ever come across. Right? On that positive note, let's start the topic for the day. The basics of accounting. Now that a few of you have done this already in your school, you must be knowing what is accounting. Am I right? Something you know. Okay. So I want to know from you, what is the meaning of accounting in a simple layman language? Do you understand what is layman language? In simple, easy to understand language. Can you please tell me what is accounting? What is accounting? Tell. What comes in goes out. What is coming in? What is going out? Is what comes in, what goes out. Sir, accounts is coming in, not able to understand, so it goes out also. Wow. Very good, very good. So what is accounting? What comes in and what goes out? That is not accounting, that is rule of accounting. Next. Simple layman language I want. Easy to understand language. Oh my God. Tears are coming in my eyes today. What is accounting? Accounting is an art, science of classifying, recording, summarizing. Oh my God. And what is accounting? Accounting is a systematic process of identifying a business financial transaction, measuring in terms of money, recording through journal, classifying through ledger, summarizing through trading P&L and balance sheet. Communicating the information to the users of financial statement. இப்படி டீச் பண்ண உட்கார முடியுமா கிளாஸ்ல? அப்புறம் Have you seen this movie called Three Idiots? Three Idiots. In Tamil movie Nanban. There's one particular scene where in Hindi movie Three Idiots, Amir Khan is sitting in the classroom. Vijay is sitting in the classroom. Teacher is teaching. He's happily seeing. So what does the teacher says? Why are you smiling? What makes you smile? He says, sir, it was my dream to study in IIT. And today when I'm sitting in IIT and learning from, I feel very happy. So the teacher says, there's no need to be so much happy. Tell me, what is the definition of machine? What does he say? Sir, machine is anything that reduces human effort. Fan, switch on, machine. Zip, up, down, machine. Yes or no? What does he do? He takes a chalk and throws and say, I want textbook definition. What is textbook definition of accounting? Accounting is systematic. Who says that? Who says the definition of machine in that movie? In Three Idiots, it is Chatur. Chatur. In Tamil, Three Idiots, no, what is that? Nanman movie. I think it's called Srivatsan, if I'm not wrong. In Tamil, it is Srivatsan. Yes. Correct, no? Yeah. So he gives a huge definition of machinery. It's like that. What is accounting a definition? Accounting is a systematic process of identifying business financial transaction, measuring in terms of money, recording through journal, classifying through ledger, summarizing through trading, P&L, balance sheet, analyzing and communicating the results to the users of financial statement. How is it? Nice, no? All this we have to learn. But in the first day, if I start taking this up, this class content will become half in the next class. And I will not take the risk. Correct? So today, I don't want anything technical. I want everything from easy to understand perspective. So please tell me, what is accounting? So we don't know, sir. That's why we have come here, no? To you. So you tell. In simple layman language, what does accounting mean? The meaning is there in the name itself. Accounting means to... Yes, please. Answer.
Just record transaction.
Oh my God. Again, record transaction. Layman language. Easy to understand language. Very good. Accounting means to count. Oh my God. I asked in simple language, boss, what is accounting? In language where you and I, who does not know accounting, can understand. What is accounting? Accounting means to count. Sir, what are we counting? Sir, in business, everything and anything, we are counting only, no, boss. In business, Anything and everything. What are we doing? Counting only. So accounting is full about counting only. Sir, can you put this in a very nice manner and explain us? No problem. I would want to communicate the same information through one story, through one scenario. Are you all ready for it? Are you all ready for it? Tell no. Open your mouth and tell no. Yeah. How many of you like going on a trip, one day trip? How many of you like going to trips, traveling? Properly raise your hands. Properly. Oh my God. No? 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 Oh. Okay. Imagine all of us, we planned for a one day outing trip. One day. Go back and return. I mean, go and come back. Where are we going? Ooty. Okay, I'll take my example. What I like, I'll tell. We're going to Black Thunder. Black Thunder is fine? No problem? Okay. Some people, sir, who goes to Black Thunder, sir? We'll go to Pune. Imagine how we'll go. For my example, to make you understand this, Black Thunder is sufficient. With Black Thunder example, I can make you understand what is accounting. Okay, not okay. Okay. Now, please tell me, people, to go to Black Thunder and have a full gala enjoyment, how much money is required? Like properly, guys, this is our day. We want to thoroughly enjoy. So how much money do you need for this one day trip? Properly, fully, thoroughly have to enjoy. How much money you need? 4 to 5,000 per person. Can I take it 5,000 round amount? Okay. 5,000 required. All of you okay now? Okay. 5,000 is fine. Online people. 5,000 is fine. What is Black Thunder? Theme park, water park. Okay, wow. Okay. Now you go and ask your dad. Dad, I want 5,000 for Black Thunder. First he'll give 5 slaps. Then he'll give 2,000 only. 5,000 is too much for Black Thunder. 2,000. Enjoy. So from your father, how much money did you get? Oh, this I have not even connected. What a pity. Okay. How much money did your father give? You know one thing. In my class, I never tell any of my students to write neatly. No, with what face should I say? With what face should I say? With this handwriting, can I tell people to write neatly? No, never. Never. I always tell people, write legibly. Means what? In a way where the person who's correcting the paper can understand. அவ்வளவுதான். இதுக்கு மேல நான் சொல்றதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது என்கிட்ட. Now, money received from your father. How much people? 2,000 rupees. Very good. With 2,000, you cannot survive, no boss. So now, next, whom will you target at house? Mother. Very good. Oh, plan ready வச்சிருக்கீங்க எல்லாருமே. Mother. The mother says, I have some savings, but how much you're asking? 3,000. That much I cannot give you. How much can I give you? 1,500. Okay. 1,500. You got 1,500 from your mother. With this, can you manage? Not possible. Boss, our target is to spend full 5,000. By chance, something is left over up to luck by chance, it'll left over. Or else it is gone. That is the target because we want to fully enjoy, boss. Okay. Next, whom will you ask for? List ready. Father, mother, grandparents. Wonderful, wonderful. So now you're going to your grandparents and asking another 1,500. With that, how much have you got now totally? 5,000 rupees you have received. Appada. Oru valiya setache. Now, jalsa only. Very good. So next day morning, 6 a.m. in the morning, the bus will come to the academy. Okay, not okay. Not really. Don't come tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. I'm just telling you 6 a.m. bus will come here. Okay, not okay. Will the bus person take you to Black Thunder and drop you back? Will he do it free of cost? No. He will charge paisa. He will charge paisa. So please tell me, how much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? For going how much? For coming how much? To how much? Fro how much? 500? Decent, no? It's quite far. So 500 for going, 500 for coming. This is AC bus, man. AC bus, a little expensive. 500 is okay, no? Okay. ठीक. So all of us have boarded the bus. Music on, party on, dance on. 20, 30 minutes, half an hour gone by, 45 minutes gone by. All of you have danced. Now you are hungry. From your Madhya Pradesh, sound is coming. From Madhya Pradesh, tummy, stomach. What is coming? Sound is coming. You are hungry. On the way, Annapurna ghee roast smell is coming. What is it coming? Annapurna ghee roast, coffee, vada smell is coming. So we are now all dropping to Annapurna. Tell me, people, where are we dropping? To Annapurna to have breakfast. You want to have a gala breakfast. So please tell me, how much breakfast ka budget? 5,000. For 500, what will you eat in Annapurna, boss? 500 rupees in Annapurna, what will you eat? One dosa, 100 rupees. One plate idli, 50 rupees. Even if you add rose milk also, Aptina, max to max 300 is more than sufficient. 300 is sufficient. 300. One ghee dosa, one idli vada, rose milk. Rose milk, very good. Rose milk for him, coffee for you. Okay? Okay. 300 rupees spent. Okay, not okay. After having super Annapurna ghee dosa, tasty sambar, vada, idli. Now we are going towards Black Thunder, the destination. The moment you reach Black Thunder, will the person welcome you? Welcome, go inside directly? No. He'll ask you to buy ticket, entry ticket. So what is the entry ticket fee, people? Entry ticket. 1,200. Hey, I know for Black Thunder this is too much, but for safer side, 5,000, no. You have to spend somewhere, no? Yes or no? So on safer side, 1,200. Okay, not okay. Online people, okay, dana Sajaya, Harshita, Syed. Okay, dana. Okay. Once you enter inside Black Thunder, in the right, the Zuindara, on the right, Zoom Pora. All of you are going for water games. Okay, 3-4 hours. Nicely, you have enjoyed. 1:30 in the afternoon. What is happening? Again, Madhya Pradesh. Ding, 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 ding. What? Hungry? You want to have lunch. Lunch, what do you want to have? This side in canteen. Fried rice. Doom, throwing up. One side pizza. One side burger. Tell, what do you want to eat? Tell, no. It's your day. What do you want? I'll order now. Tell. Momos, very good. You பாத்தியா போய் அங்கே மோமோஸ் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன் சரி ஓகே உனக்கு மோமோஸ் கொடுத்தாச்சு ரைட் நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் யூ வாண்ட் ஈட் டெல் நோ வாட் யூ வாண்ட் ஈட் tell he said momos no you tell no what you want to eat tell no what क्या खाना है कुछ नहीं खाना है what a waste of life paneer tikka lovely my favorite also for lunch what is your budget people 500 is too less yeah 750 who said 750 750 okay 750 hey that much over money we can't spend also we have to keep for other things also so lunch gala lunch 750 you spend super after lunch you again go back what is sport or what a game whatever you say you enjoyed after that you got tired now you want to play dry games ATR drive dashing car then gun aim shoot tell no yes or no then that round will be there no? What is that called a giant wheel then what else is there I don't know roller coaster ride very good for all the dry games how much money do you need hey 500 mein what will come here 4 games you are playing up now let's say each game 250 3 game you are playing how much for it 750 okay 750 gone 750 is too less yeah you played let's say 6 game 250 each how much it is 1,500 now okay panam irka paathukonga first what is the total so far or to make your life easy I'll make this 1,250 now okay 1,250 plus 750 is how much 2,000 3,200 3,500 4,000 oh my god how much is left only 1,000 okay now after dry games so savings who's that Who's talking about savings? Oh my God, pakka businessman. Now, after try games, what next? Sir, evening snacks, sir. No, ma, after dry games, snacks, 5 o'clock. Popcorn, ice cream, snacks is required. No. SNACKS. Snakes. How much? How much? 500 is too much for snakes and all. How much? 200. 200 is decent. Ice cream, popcorn, etc. etc. 200 is decent. Okay. Now, snacks over, party over, your body is tired. So, பாடியா போய் படுத்துருவோம் இதுல பஸ்ல. Yes or no? Do you have the capacity to drop for dinner somewhere in hotel? No, because in the morning you're eating outside. No, you want to go back home and have home food and sleep. That is the target. Okay, va. Now, from Black Thunder, we have to go all the way back to home. So again, we have to pay the bus fare. बहुत ज्यादा है क्या? Bus fare. How much? 500. Can you please tell me what is the total expenditure? Till this, it was how much? 4,000, is it? 4,700. 4,700. Please correct if I'm wrong. Is this correct? Super. So, how much money you got it from your parents and grandparents? 5,000. Of that, how much you have spent? 4,700. Balance 300 is your savings. Cash in hand. How much is the cash remaining in hand? 300. So all of you have reached home, had nice khichdi. Mom made khichdi. You've gone to sleep. Correct? Next day morning, you came from your room like this. Who is sitting in front of you? Your dad is sitting with you. I mean, in front of you with kuchi in hand. Ting, ting, ting. You looks like you had a gala time. He's seen your Snapchat. Whatever you uploaded in Snapchat, Instagram story, all that your parents have seen it. Especially dad, I had eye on your Snapchat. Looks like you had a gala time yesterday. He's asking, you took 5,000, no? You'll ask, how do you know? I know everything. I'm the head of the family. I know everything. You took 5,000 and went, no. Where is the accounts of that 5,000? And you have studied from Pratik, sir. Accounts is there in your blood now. What did you do? You took a white paper smartly. Wherever you got money, you made a note of it. All this is done on a piece of white paper. Enna panninga? You made a note of it. What note you made? I got money. I got income from 3 sources. How many sources? 3 sources. You got 2,000 from your father, 1,500 from your mother, and 1,500 from your grandfather. So from each source, from where you're getting money, who's giving that much money, what money you've got, everything you have documented very clearly, so that if anybody wants to know the breakup of this 5,000, you have it ready with you. Now, people who don't study accounts from Pratik, sir, you know what they will do? Total money received 5,000. Total money spent how much? 4,700. Balance 300. If I ask, give me the breakup of 5,000, I don't know. Give me breakup of 4,700, I don't know. Because he has not kept the record of it. But what did you do? Since you studied accounting from me, you know that all the records has to be perfectly maintained. So you maintained a perfect record. This 5,000 I got from which all sources? You recorded it. This 5,000, where and all you spent, you have a record of it. Yes or no? What is this? Accounting. What is this? Accounting. What does account means in simple language? To count. What is accounting? To count. Everything you're counting, no, boss. If I ask you, what is the total money received? What did you do? 2,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,500. What is this? Counting only, no, boss. What is it? Counting. You counted how much money you got. Then I asked you, what is the total money you spent? What did you do? Sir, 500 plus 300 plus 1,200 plus 750 plus 1,250 plus 200 plus 500. You counted, no, boss. What is accounting? To count. Then I asked you, How much money is left in your hand? What did you say? Sir, from 5,000, if I minus 4,700, balance is 300. This is also counting, no boss. Who said counting is only addition? Addition, subtraction, both put together is counting. So what is accounting in simple layman language? To count. My next question to you is, why do we need this accounting data? Why do we need this data? You tell me now. So that, yes, very good. Who said? You said. To make decisions. We will analyze this and make decision. What decision? Now your dad said, whatever expenses you're spending, no. For what purpose you're spending it, give me a record for each item. Nee breakfast evlo salo panna, lunch ni evlo salo panna. One data I want pakka breakup. Now with this, what is he going to do? You know, your father is going to analyze. He's going to check that the money that you spent, no, for what all purpose you have spent it, he's going to make one category for analysis purpose. So now he wants to know, for food, how much money in total have you spent? For food, how much money in total have you spent? Breakfast, 300. Lunch, 750. Snacks, 200. So total money spent for food is how much, people? 1,250. 1,250. Oh my God. Then he's asking, for traveling, how much money you spent? Traveling, 500 plus 500, 1,000. Then he's asking, for entertainment, how much did you spend? Entry ticket 1,200, dry games 1,250. For entertainment, how much? 2,450. 2,450. Total how much? 4,700. Now this summary what you've prepared is coming from where? From the previous accounting record. This summary, what am I going to do? I'm going to analyze. I mean, who? Father. The father is going to analyze. Oh, ho, ho. Look at the donkey fellow. 1,250. One day ka food. 1,250. In that dinner also you had at home only. Dinner also at home only. For breakfast, lunch and snacks, 1,250. Too much this is. So too much this is. He's able to communicate this to you using what? Data. Which data? Accounting data. Without the accounting data, he cannot comment also. Second, he's telling, who pays 1,000 rupees for Black Thunder? Black Thunder, here only it is. 1,000 rupees, Venama. You will say, no, it is AC bus. AC bus also, at the max, it should not cost you more than 800. Oh, Pratik sir put 200 commission in his pocket. Pratik sir, very bad. From here to Black Thunder, 1,000 rupees, too much this is. So we are able to tell this is too much. On what basis? Accounting data basis. If accounting data is not there, you will not be able to know whether in business, have you spent money properly or have you spent excessively? Got it, not got it. As a businessman, should I not know what is my expenditure? Is it proper, appropriate level, or is it too much? Should I know or not know? Yes. How will I know all that? For that, I need to have all accounting record of it. I need to keep a record of all the transactions. What is record? What is transaction? Big terms it is. In next class, I'll discuss in depth. In today's session, I'm only going to put accounting ka concept in your mind in a very simple layman language. Because you don't know what is accounts. So in very simple language, I'm going to put the data in your mind. Then your dad asked, how much money for entertainment? 2,450. He says, this is too much here. Who spends 2,450 for one day entertainment? We spend. Who are we? Gen Z. Who are we? Gen Z. You're Gen Z only, no? No, huh? Oh. Who am I? Huh? Millennium, huh? How do you define who's millennium, who's Gen Z? Why did you say I'm millennium? No, on what basis I'm asking? For my knowledge, I don't know what it is. Millennium. Why did you say millennium? Older apdina? How much older? 3 years older only, no? I'm 18. 19. Under 21. Under 21. So I can't drink. I'm under 21. So who am I? Gen Z only, no? I'm also Gen Z like you only. Then what? Summa millennium. Pichu poda bitche. Now, so, now, what is accounting? Accounting means to count. In business, anything and everything that you do, the accounting of, you're counting only. Anything, everything is counting only. So now do you understand why I said accounting means to count? Tell me, no. Are you clear? What is accounting? Accounting means to count. Now the question is, why is accounting done? Why is accounting done? What is accounting understood? Accounting means counting. Why accounting? Why? Why accounting? Why accounting is done? Only then in business I'll know whether the business what I'm doing is running in profit or loss. In your business, the income that you want, imagine for a second, this is income. 5,000 is income. All of you know what is income? You know what is income? The paisa which is coming inside your business is called as income. Oh my God. This is income? Yes. What is expenditure? Out of that 5,000 rupees, the money what is spent is called as expenditure. Okay, not okay. Okay. How much money you spent? 4,700. So what is your profit? For example, imagine this 300 is profit. Actually, this is not profit, but just for convenience, let's assume this is profit. So what is profit? 300. Purinjada. I'm doing business for 1 year. I'm doing business for 1 year. So at the end of the 1 year, I want to know whether the business what I've done for 1 year, the hard work that I've done for the entire year, is that business profitable or not? So how do you know whether you're into profit or not? By preparing accounts. Because accounts will give you two data. Accounts will give multiple data. For me, two primary data. One, it will give me income. How much income? Total income. What income? Total income. I get income from multiple sources. From father, you got one income. Mother, you got one income. Grandparents, one income. Like that in business also, you get income from multiple sources. So from which all sources money came in? How much money came in? So this money, in how many sources I spent it? After spending, something is there for me or not? Anything is left for me in the business or not? Left, no, how much it is? 300, profit. But next year, what will you do? Next year, you will say, oh, this hard work is not sufficient. I have to work more hard. This income of 5,000, I need to make it into 15,000. Expenses have to reduce and try to earn more profit. Next year, profit target is what? 3,000 rupees. So you have set one target. This target is set on what basis? On the previous accounting data basis. The accounting data, what you had in past, no. This is helping you to decide in future how much more you have to work hard. So accounting will help you to understand at present whether your business is into profit or loss. If it is into loss, it is a warning to you. Do your business properly. Decrease your unnecessary expenditure. Work hard and increase your income. It's an indication. It's a warning to you. Purinjada? If you're profitable, if the profit is less, again the accounts is giving indication. Don't if your business ka profit is low. Work more hard. Spend less money. Increase your profits. So this accounting record is going to give us continuous information of how our business is doing at present and how it should be done in future. Got it, not got it. So with the help of the accounting records, we're going to analyze the data and we'll decide our future. We'll set a future target. Got it, not got it. So in simple terms, accounting or objective multiple. There's multiple objective accounting. What is simple objective accounting? What is the purpose of accounting? To ascertain means calculate the financial performance. Business ka performance is evaluated by its profit and loss. The first and the foremost objective of preparing the accounts is to know your profit and loss account. I mean to know your profit and loss of the business. Got it, not got it. Nari objective. There are so many objectives, which I'll discuss eventually. But primarily, what is objective? A businessman, primarily, why does he do accounting? To know whether he's into profit or not. Current year business, whether what I've done, am I into profit or loss? To know that the first and the foremost objective of accounting has been accomplished. Got it, not got it. To do the accounting, do we have accounting rules? To do the accounting, do we have accounting rules? The answer is a big yes. So why do we have rules? If we don't have rules, people will do accounting the way they feel like doing it. Correct, no? For example, we did accounting here. This we did the way we did like, we felt like doing it. Correct, no? People will do this in different way. You did accounting in this manner. Which manner? Okay, income ka 3 sources. You created 3 sources. Your friend who does not know accounting, what will he do? He will not create multiple sources. He'll say one word, income. How much? 5,000. As a businessman, I want to know this 5,000 came from multiple sources. Which sources it came? I want to know. So if rule is not there, one person is accounting this 5,000 in this manner, another person is accounting this 5,000 in this manner, which means what? Each people are doing accounting in their own way, in their own manner. Gotten, not gotten, clear or not clear. At the end, there'll be utter confusion and chaos. To remove all the confusions and chaos, it was very important to have accounting rules and regulations in place. Are you able to follow? No, sir, we're not able to follow, sir. Can you give us one more example to make us understand this? No problem. I'm going to give you one scenario. You have to tell me what is the profit and loss of the business. Correct? Can you please tell me, forget accounting, use your logic and tell me what could be the formula to calculate income. What is the formula to calculate income? Forget accounts. You tell from your common sense. What is the formula to calculate profit and loss? What is the formula to calculate profit and loss? How do I know to determine the profit and loss? Very good. Sir, whatever money I earn, no, that is income. From that, I'll minus expenses. I'll get to know what is my profit. Very simple. Is it that difficult? No. Now that you know the formula to calculate profit and loss, if I give you one sum, will you be in position to help me to calculate the profit and loss? Can you try for it? Can you try? Can you try? Yes. Mr. X started a business with a savings of rupees 50,000. I'm not using the word capital and all because I've not taught you what is capital. I started my business. For that, I need a small savings. So I'm using my savings to start my business. Got it, not got it. With this savings, what am I going to do? I'm going to buy the product for selling purpose. What is business? What is business? Buying and selling. What is business? Buying and selling. So we are called as trader. Who are we called as? Trader. Who is a trader? Who purchases the goods, sells the goods. Who buys the goods and sells the goods. Any big difficulty in that? No. So we are doing the business of buying and selling mobile phones. What phones? Mobile phones. No problem, no? Okay. Now, Mr. X has approached the manufacturer or the wholesaler who's selling the phones in bulk. We went and asked, sir, please give me 10 mobile phones. I want to resell it. So please give me at wholesale price. Which price? Wholesale price. Purchased 10 mobile phones at rupees 20,000 per, okay, 20,000 each, at 20,000 each. So tell me people, how much money do you have in hand? Only 50,000. Don't say 50,000. Only 50,000. You have purchased goods worth how much? 20,000 multiplied by 10 is how much? 2 lakh. So how much payment did you make? 50. So rupees 50,000 paid. Balance how much? Balance how much? Balance yet to be paid. How much? 1,50,000. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. Out of 10 phones, you have sold 6 mobile phones at rupees 50,000 each. Oh my God, such a huge margin. 50,000 each. If you think that a businessman, whatever goods he buys or purchases, at the end of the year, everything he will sell, and that's your dream. Not reality. In reality, it doesn't happen. Whatever you buy, everything cannot be sold at the end of the year. Some will be remaining as a stock in your shop. Got it, not got it. Miche meedi kandipa irukum. Leftover of the stock will be there. Got it, not got it. Okay. In that, how much money have you received from your customers, you know? Received rupees 2,50,000. Got it, not got it? Got it, not got it? We did sales for 3 lakh, but one customer did not pay the money for phone right now. He says, I'll pay later. I'll pay later. Got it, not got it. ஏப்பா நீனு பொருள் வாங்கும்போது எவ்வளவு பே பண்ண 50 only you paid, no? Balance 150, what did you say? I'll pay later. So in business, this happens, no? So if I buy any product, on the spot, if I pay the cash, that is called as cash transaction. What transaction? Cash transaction. On the other hand, when I buy some product and I say I'll pay later, that is called as credit transaction. Credit transaction. So in cash transaction, goods and money are exchanged simultaneously. In credit transaction, goods is first received, later money will be given. Got it, not got it? But here, I have not told you what is the meaning of transaction. I have not told you what is meaning of transaction. Next class, I'll tell you what is the true meaning of transaction. Today, I'm trying to keep it very simple. Am I loud and clear? Anne, okay, then. Okay. When you do business, it is very obvious that we'll do expenditure also. So there are some business expenditure. So business expenditure. How much? Rupees? 70,000? Or is it too much? Okay, we'll keep it 30,000. Okay, wow. The total business expenditure, shop rent, electricity, phone bill, etc., etc. To do this business, some expenditure you have to do, no, boss? Tell me, advertisement expenditure, etc., etc. 30,000 rupees you spent. Okay, wow. Now, using this data, you have to help me calculate the profit and loss of the business. Calculate profit and loss. Do it fast. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Fast. I don't want profit loss. I want answer. Profit na how much? Loss na how much? Wait. Not like this. Give me options one by one. First option. Profit? Profit 70,000. Okay. One more option. Come on. What left over? No. Just tell me profit alone. 70 profit. Okay. Any other answer? Do calculation. No, you can do your pen, paper. Do no calculation. You guys are not mental people to do mental calculations. Correct, no? People didn't understand what I said. I said you are not mental people to do mental calculations. So do it on the paper. Some people are doing mental calculations, which I don't believe in. Please put your thoughts into paper and tell me the answer. Sir, first class itself, you're asking us to do sums. No, sir. Now only Majja will come, no? No, fighting will happen. Sorry, what is the answer? 20,000. Very good. Profit 20,000, sir. Come on. Give me 2 more options. Then let's play Kaun Banega Crorepati. Come on. நீங்களும் எல்லாம் ஒரு கோடி எல்லலாமா வெல்லலாமாடா நீங்களும் எல்லலாமா வெல்லலாமா எல்லலாம் வெல்லலாம் தமிழ்ல வெல்லலாமா அதான் பார்த்தேன் நீங்களும் வெல்லலாம் ஒரு கோடி ஓகே நவ் கரெக்ட் வெரி குட் எஸ் பாஸ் 1 lakh profit wow no problem profit is how much you said 1 lakh okay come on people one more option come on ஏமா அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் நீ படிச்சிருக்கலாமா நீ சொல்லுமா 20,000 note next online people tell no Harshita Sajaya Syed Jaydarshini tell me people what is your answer Inky pinky ponky father had a donkey take any of these 3 options and say no what is wrong in it what is the answer no give me one more answer no this is cheating here 3 options I cannot manage I need one more option how much 50,000 okay none of the above profit 50,000 okay option E none of the above but tell what is the right answer then none of the above donkey fellow you know who am I Mr. X owner of this business I came to you. Who are you? Chartered accountant. Don't say accountant. You guys are chartered accountant. Get the feel, no? You guys are chartered accountant. I came with a lot of hope. If I go to my dear chartered accountants, all of them will give me one answer. Look at this. One donkey fellow is telling 50,000 profit, another is telling 1 lakh profit, one is telling 70 profit, another is telling 20 profit.
So,
You tell me, Karan, what is your answer now?
so the income is 2,50,000, right?
You tell me what is the final answer. Don't ask me anything. 2,20,000. Very good. One more answer I got. F. 2,20,000. எம்மா கண்ணில் ஆல்ரெடி தண்ணி வருதுமா நீ இன்னொரு ஆன்சர் கொடுத்து கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க I came with a lot of hope that I'll get proper answer. And look at this. Look at the answer I'm getting. I as a businessman, whom should I trust? I as an investor of, let's suppose I'm the investor of Mr. X. Investor, as investor, I put money in this business. I want to know this business, what profit? You are giving me 6 options. Government wants to know what is the profit. So why is government interested in this? Government wants tax, no boss. Tax is computed, calculated on the income. Income and profit. So government wants to see which profit is highest. Oh, F profit 220 highest. Put tax on that. Employee wants to know who is employee. The person who's working in my company. The staff who's working in my company. They are also interested in my profit. Ask why. To check whether sir is doing business properly or not. Is sir into profit or not? பார்த்தா sir loss அப்படின்னா அடுத்த மாசம் salary வராது. So loss making business, nobody wants to continue. Everybody leave. So that way, employees are interested in your accounts. So who and all are interested in your accounts? The accounts what you prepare, who and all are interested? Owner is interested. Because I want to know whether my business is into profit or loss. Who else wants to know? Investor who is investing in the business wants to know whether this company is making profit or not. I invested money in Reliance Industries Limited. Whose company it is? Ambani. Which Ambani? Mukesh Ambani. Amma friend bar Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani sir. Okay, wow. So I invested in his company. I want to know whether Mukesh Ambani sir is earning profit or not. Government wants to know. Employees wants to know. So many people wants to know what is the result of this business. What is the performance of this business? And look at the performance. You guys have given massive performance. You gave 6 answers. Super performance. For one question, for one client, 6 answers. Why? Because when you prepared the accounting, you had no rules. You were not bound by any rules and regulations. You were free to do accounting the way you feel like doing it. So this answer, what came out? No, it's not answer. This is your feeling. What does it come out? Your feeling has come out. Oh, feeling, girlfriend get a boyfriend by காமிக்க தானே இங்க எதுக்கு? Here, you have to do accounting in a professional manner, in a systematic manner. Got it? Not got it? So why do we need accounting rules and regulations? Is because if accounting rules and regulations are not in place for given question, for given problem, each one of you will come out with different answers. Now the question is, which answer is reliable? Is option A reliable? Is option B reliable? Option C reliable? D, E, F, which is reliable? So reliability becomes a big question mark if I don't know the accounting rules. If accounts is prepared without rules, then the profit what you get is not reliable. It is not dependable. Got it? Not got it? So rules are very important. Now that in the entire 11th, I'm teaching you rules. At the end of the 11th, if I give you the same question, now can I say all of you will give me one single answer? Yes. So in this entire journey of 11th, 12th, CA Foundation, CA Inter, CA Final, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn accounting process, accounting rules, accounting system, so that all of us get one single unified answer for the given problem, given scenario, given circumstances. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. You want to know the right answer for this? I will do it, but I'll not explain it. Ask why. Ask why, no. Entire 11th, I'm going to teach this only. So this answer, what I'm going to present in front of you, I cannot teach this in one day. Because to create this answer, at the back end, there are multiple rules. There are multiple processes. So I have to put gradually all of them into your mind. In a very systematic manner, I have to put the data in your mind. At the end of the process, you'll be in position to do the same accounting the way I am doing it. So you will not ask me why question now, but I'll answer it. I said you, in my academy, all your why questions will be answered, but at the right time, in the right place. Am I loud and clear? Tell me. Okay. Now, sale. How many mobile phones have you sold? 6 multiplied by what is the sale price per mobile phone? 50,000. So my total sale value is how much? 3 lakh rupees. From that, I need to minus expenditure. I have 2 expenditure in my business. One is the mobile phone that I purchased is my expenditure. Second, I spent 30,000 rupees on rent, electricity. Those are called as business expenses. So that also I need to deduct. So 2 expenses I have to deduct. Yes or no? One is purchase. Please tell me, purchase, how much should I take? 6 into 20,000. Yes or no? How much? Sir, what, sir? You're supposed to put minus. No, sir. You put bracket. In accounts, minus, bracket, both means one and the same. Okay, not okay. Minus can be represented by bracket also. Got it? Okay. Then I have to minus business expenditure. How much it is? Not 20,000, pa. It is 30,000. It is 30,000. Got it? Not got it? Now, tell me, people. 3 lakh minus 120 minus 30,000. How much it is? 3 lakh minus 120 is how much? 180. Correct? No? Tell no. Tell no. 180. From 185 minus 30,000? 1,50,000. Oh my God. Not one answer also came. 6 answer you gave. Not one also correct. Got it? Not got it? No, you will not get it. Now the question that comes to your mind is, this everybody will get it. Correct? Huh? This everybody will get it. But some people have a problem. Sir, out of 3 lakh, one customer has not paid 50. No, sir. Up, how much should I take? Only 250. So now you have a doubt that here should I take 2,50,000 or should I take 3 lakh? This is your one doubt. Yes or no? Some people would have thought that I'll take full 3 lakh. Some people would have thought that no, how much paisa came, that is my income. So in this entire 11th at multiple places, I'll give you a justification. What has to be taken, why it has to be taken. I'll not just tell what and leave it. I'll give a logic behind it also. Only when you understand the logic, no, you'll feel that, because of that, like that, you get a feeling. That is what I want in the class. Some people have a doubt that, sir, 10 mobile phone I purchased, no, sir. 6 only you recorded, balance 4. Yes or no? That's your doubt. So this also, I will explain in the upcoming classes. Not just in one class, we need multiple classes to give you a logical reason behind it. So whether should we take 6 mobile phone ka cost or should we take 10 mobile phone ka cost? Business expenditure, nobody would have had doubt because simple, straightforward. But here in this also, can I make complications? Out of 30, 20 paid, 10 not paid. Now confusion will come. Should I take 30? Should I take 20? Should I take 10? Which means in business, if you go deep into it, there are a lot of complications, lot of challenges. Adhikavada, you are studying accountancy in 5 levels. 11th, 12th, foundation, inter, final. If it was that easy and straightforward, in 11th itself, everything is over. No, bus. So much is there to study means imagine how much complications are there in accounting. Yes. The bigger the business, bigger are the complications involved in accounting. So chart accountant is that professional who has got the expertise to handle all the accounting situations. Let them be how much ever complex they want to be, but we will handle it. And that too with logic, that too with proper understanding. Nothing I will teach you just like that. I'll never make you by heart. It's my promise today. I will never ever make you by heart any format, any formula. I'll give a logic behind everything. You will create the formula. Same thing happened in 12th standard. Currently also, in 12th standard, there's one particular topic called as accounting ratios. In that chapter, there are 100 plus formulas. In just one chapter, 100 plus formulas. Is it human beingly possible to sit and by heart all the formulas? No. So current 12th standard, for those people, this topic is completed in school. They're like, sir, head and tail also we're not able to understand. I said, wait, I'll take care of it. Last year also, people said, sir, ratio topic very difficult, sir, full of formulas, sir. It's easy only, but remember, it's very difficult to remember the formulas. When I did it, I never made them by heart any formulas. I gave the logic behind every formula. They have derived the formula on their own. And derivation of the formula, don't think like mathematics, the derivation is very lengthy. No. Simple Amul baby derivation. You know Amul baby? Yes. Simple derivation, easy to understand derivation, logical derivation. This is brain, not pressure cooker. That you're giving too much of pressure to your brain. By heart this also, by heart this also. Nothing is required to be by hearted. Nothing. It's my promise that every single data that I transform in your mind, I'll give a logic to it. And you have to accept it. Got it, not got it. If you don't have acceptance, then you ask me why question. For that also, I'll give you a counter logic. Got it, not got it. But today, can I give a logic to this? No, because we have a lot of information to be studied in systematic manner. So today, I just wanted to, give a trailer of what is accounting. What is this? Accounting only, no. What am I doing? Counting only, no. 6 mobile phones into 50,000 multiplied how much? 3 lakh. What is it? Counting, no. 6 mobile phone multiplied by 20,000. What is it? Purchase, counting, no. From that, I subtracted all the expenses I got. 150 as profit. What is this? Counting only, no. So I just wanted to put in very simple perspective as to what is accounting. Accounting means to count. Accounting means to count. Why accounting? Through accounting, we will get to know whether the business is into profit or loss. Third, why are we doing accounting? Why are we having accounting rules? Because if rules and regulations are not in place for a given scenario, for a given question, each one will come out with different answer. So with this, I want to put into your head that it is important that we study the accounting subject in a very organized, systematic manner. There's a process, beautiful process that has been laid down. Now we are in the pursuit of learning that process. A well-established process is what we're going to learn. And to learn this process, one class is not sufficient. 11th alone is not sufficient. We need to go for a big journey. Got it, not got it. Have you got a trailer of how accounting looks like? Just a trailer. The next class will begin with basic accounting terms. What is books of accounts? What is transaction? What is event? In that, what is cash transaction? What is credit transaction? What is income? What is expense? What is asset? What is liability? What is cash? What is debtor, creditor, land, building, plant, machinery? Too many. Gradually we'll learn. We'll spend 2 classes to understand the basic accounting terms. Because if these few terms you're clear with, only then the upcoming classes, which are going to be a little bit more technical, you will be in position to understand. Sir, will you cover all the basic accounting terms in next 2 classes? Not possible. I will do only that much basic accounting terms, which is essential for me to start with the classes. There are certain basic accounting terms we will do along with the chapters. In that chapters, we'll learn new terminology. So some terms has to be done before we start the chapter, and some accounting terms we'll start it or we'll do it along with that chapter. And maybe there are some terms, very few terms, very complicated terms, which I'll do at the end of the syllabus. Once we come to the fag end of the 11th syllabus, that time I'll teach you the pending terms. Got it, not got it. Now, I've been in this industry for 8 years. I, as a teacher, very well know in what order, if I go, you will be comfortable. Right? That order may match with your school, may not match with your school. Mostly it'll match, 90% will be matching, but 10% it may not match also. Don't get scared. They have one process in school they will take because they have some obligation, some thought process. I have my thought process, which is the correct thought process, a right process to ensure that you are 100% comfortable. So blindly follow what I'm doing, what I'm taking, just blindly follow. At the end of the 11th, it's my assurance that your knowledge is going to be 10x more and wider than any other friends who are not in this premises, in this academy. It's my challenge. If you don't believe, you can ask your seniors. Am I loud and clear? Online people, am I loud and clear? Very good. Very good. So on that positive note, I'm summing up your class today. I'll meet you all in the next class when Anita ma'am will, discuss with me and put a schedule in the group. So next class, I'll meet Tuesday or Thursday, whatever it is, we'll decide, right? So guys, that's all from my side for this session. I will see you all in the next new class. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care.